Hello everybody, I am Asaduzzaman Biswas. Today I came again to have a discussion about a CSS cascading style sheet. Today I like to discuss about how we can style list. So we are obviously those we know HTML, we are familiar with list. List can be two type. One is your unordered list, another one is ordered list, right? So today I will discuss about how we can style our list, right? So first let us make a list. So I'm writing here UL, that is I am making here an unordered list, and I will now make list item. Okay, so I will write down here li. Okay, so here I made 3 list item, and let us write something inside this list item. First one USA, second one UK, and third one is Canada, right? So we like to style this list that I made right now, and I am writing the CSS coding in the same page where I wrote my HTML code. So I will have to use this tag style. This is the beginning of a style, and this is the end of a style, right? So before writing any style on this unordered list, I like to show you what is the default look of unordered list, right? So I will go to output, and let us see. Look, this is the default look, right? So beside each list item I am getting a black circle, right? So what I like to do first, I don't like to use any such symbol beside any list item, right? So how can I do it? There is a property, its name is list style type, right? So if I list style type, okay. Okay, so before that we have to say on which we like to apply this property, right? We will have to write the selector first. Okay, this unordered list is our selector. Okay, this is the beginning of this CSS coding, and this is the end, right? So list style type is the property, and as value if I write here none, and then I save it, okay, and then go to output. If I get a output here, I am not getting any symbol beside any list item, right? Because here I wrote the value of list style type property is none. So if I change this value, this value, and I'm getting a number of values of this property, and each value will give you different type of symbols beside the list item. Suppose if I choose here this one, the first one, that is Armenian. So look, if I save it and go to output, I will get, look, this is the symbol I am getting just beside each list item. And changing this, if I choose something else as the value of this property, suppose I choose here, which one I can choose here, is square. Suppose this is square. If I choose this is square and I saved it, okay, and go to output, this item is square, okay, and go to output, look, I am getting square beside each list item, right? So in this way, by changing the value of this list style property, we can give or we can use any symbol beside list item. If I choose any value, each value will give me a different symbol, right? So in this way, we can change the look of our unordered list or ordered list, whatever you like, any type of list. We can change the look of our any type of list using this list style type property. Basically, this property is used to change the symbol of list. That means beside the left hand side of each list item, we get a symbol. We can change that symbol and we can give any different symbol by using this property list style type. So today after this, if you have any question, feel free to ask me through comments. Obviously I reply you, and I will come again with so many discussions on CSS. So subscribe my channel and join my discussion. So today, goodbye everyone.